You can answer. Hindi to yes or no. So to your point, did you allow all of his doctors in or no?
Sir, we have substantial doctor. I think we have complied with 7438, sir.
Okay. It doesn't say here substantial.
We
It
have
says
complied with
here...
7438, sir.
No, sir. Ang sabi kasi dito, his choice. Hindi nyo choice. Hindi nyo choice i-limit yung doctors niya. Ang sabi nyo, substantial. So, I will clarify. Were there doctors that he requested you did not allow in? Yes
I was
or
not
no?
aware of that, sir.
Okay. You're not aware kung meron pinapasok o wala.
Kung meron siyang ibang
Okay.
additional doctor,
But
sir.
I saw the video wherein you're saying 2-star, ako na nagdedesisyon, I will not allow VP Sara in. Tama?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hindi ba siya anak? Ang nakalagay dito, the person's immediate family shall include his or her spouse, fiancé, parent or child, brother, sister, grandparent, grandchild, uncle, aunt, nephew, niece, etc. Ang penalty nito ay 4 na taon ata na kulong. Sir, you prevented VP Sara from entering.
At dahil nung first hearing natin, sir, ay palagay ko na explain na lahat yan, sir, at nagkaroon ng napakaraming mga...
Nung first hearing, sir, ang pinag-usapan kasi doon na lawyer. Ako, upon looking at the Constitution, kaming mga senador, we cannot appear before the court, but we can practice. Pero ang presidente, vice president cannot practice. So kasama na ako doon at yung ibang nagsabing abogada. Pero nung nakita ko tong batas na to, nakalagay, pag anak, you cannot stop them from visiting. And nakita ko yung video, but sabi nyo nga, may kompleto kayong video, that's why I'm asking you, baka naman pinapasok nyo nang hindi ko alam. Sabi mo, 2-star, sir, ako na. Ako nagdesisyon nito, sir. I don't know if you use the word ako mananagot. So, simple lang question ko, did you prevent VP Sara from seeing her father? Yes or no?
Can I expound on this, sir, before I answer the yes,
Yes,
or
go
no,
ahead.
sir? Thank you, sir. Kaya ako yung nagpapasalamat, sir, na ma-expound yan, sir. Dahil after the first hearing, medyo marami-rami ang lumabas, sir, ng mga misinformation regarding that matter, sir. Yes, sir, I did prevent I did deny the request of President Duterte for him to allow VP Sara to enter, sir. Kasi nga naman, sir, mag-aalas 10 na yun, sir. And that is already around 12 hours after we first got him into custody. The VP has all the chances to be with the President earlier that day. We are expecting her. Actually, sir, mga alas 3 pa lang, may information na darating siya. And kung gusto talaga nilang pumasok, sir, pwede naman, sir, eh. Kasi
hinadlangan mo nga di ba?
Ma'am, sinundo, ma'am, sa loob ng Villamor.
Sinabi nga ninyo na hinarang, di ba?
Yes,
Sabi
ma'am.
nyo,
Ito,
kasi
ma'am,
gabi na, matagal na.
I did, ma'am. I did really prevent that from the VP. I told the President that she can visit her on the detention cell in Hague. Sabi ko kung gusto niya talaga. Pero
Sabi
kasi
mo
nga
makapasok,
naman,
pero
ma'am,
sa kabilang
sandali,
dako
ma'am.
sinabi mo you prevented her. Alin ba talaga?
Let me clarify, ma'am. Hindi pa ako tapos, ma'am, eh.
Hindi. Iba-iba lang yung sinasabi mo, eh.
Ma'am, patapusin niyo ako kung pwede. If you will allow me, sir.
Yaw.
Okay, sir.
Kaya nga, but please.
Ito,
please.
sir, after all was being said and done, yung sasakyan ni Hanilet, sir, and 5 other vehicles, nakapasok at sinundo sila, sir. Ang eroplano nasa bukas pang pintuan, sir. So, yan, sir, ang isang tumayong balahibo ko nun, sir, noong panahon na nakita ko, naku, andyan yata si VP Sara, andyan si Bongo nakapasok na. Kasi sinusundo na, sir, si Hanilet at saka si Kitty, sir, ng kanilang mga sasakyan, together with the other entourage. Bakit nila sumabay dun, sir, sa tarmac? Bukas pa naman, sir, ang pintuan.
Alam mo, Madam Chair,
Sir.
Nick,
Sir. That's a new
ibig mong
information,
sabihin,
sir.
kung pwede pumasok yung si Ma'am Hanilit at saka si Kitty, gusto mo ring sabay-sabay na sila.
Sir, ganito. Hindi ko dinideny na pinrevent ko si VP Sara na pumasok based on the request of the former president. 12 hours na ang nakalipas at tapos na ang lahat ng mga delaying tactics. Equation,
Kaya expire
sir.
pala yung karapatan ng akusado.
May expiration date pala yung karapatan ng anak na bumisita sa kanyang tatay?
Sir, we do believe, ako sir personally, that's my call at that time because I'm operating on the premise ng
So it's
aking
your call,
mission.
so it's your call to
Yes,
violate
sir.
the law.
Yes.
It's your call to violate the law. Dahil nakalagay sa batas, binasa ni Senator Alan Cayetano na bawal na pigilan yung anak na bumisita. So it's your call to violate the law.
Hindi sa ganong context, sir.
Oo.
Anong konteksto?
Anong
Kasasabi
konteksto
mo
mo?
lang, talagang hinadlangan mo yung pagpasok eh.